Hey guys, today's video is a Dollar Tree DIY video and I have some spooky Halloween DIYs that I made to share with you guys. So the first DIY I'm going to share with you guys is how I made a skeleton sitting in a bathtub. And I got this idea because I've seen them so many times in home decor stores where they have like a little skeleton sitting in a bathtub. So I thought I could recreate that with Dollar Tree products. So the first thing that you're going to need and the first thing that I used was this little bathtub that you can get in the toy section at Dollar Tree. And they come in pink and teal, but I'm taking all the pieces off of it so that I can spray paint the tub white and all the pieces can be black. Now if you're going for a pink theme, you can actually keep the one that comes in pink, you know, as is, but I want a black and white theme, so I'm taking all the pieces off to paint them. And the ones on the top, as you can see, you're going to need a screwdriver to unscrew them from the back. And these little mini screwdrivers I actually found at Dollar Tree, and I keep this little kind of toolbox in my craft room so that I always have it on hand whenever I'm doing projects like this. I need to grab for some tools and I don't have to go all the way down to the garage. So these are all Dollar Tree tool items as well. But yeah, I'm going to remove all the pieces, spray paint it like a matte white, and then also spray paint all the pieces black. Once all the pieces are dry, I'm just putting it back together, and you will see that once I start putting it back together, one of the pieces, the paint chipped off of it. So I just went in with my craft paint to touch it up, and it did the trick. You don't have to go back in and spray paint it. Just using a little bit of craft paint to touch up whatever pops off of a spray paint did just the trick. So the skeleton that I'm using is this one that I found at Dollar Tree that I think is really cool, because not only is it just a skeleton from Dollar Tree that's $1.25, but it also lights up and makes noises. So I thought it would be perfect to put in the bathtub, and it's kind of like a motion sense. So anytime somebody passes it, you'll hear this. And as you can see, this size skeleton is going to be the perfect size to fit in this tub. If you want, you could put two in here, but I don't think you need to put two. I just put one in here. Most of the time when I see this at the stores, I just see one sitting in the little tub. And this can be used for bathroom decor anywhere else you want. Now to make the little bubble, the bubbles to make like a bubble bath, I'm just going to use cotton balls. Another idea is that you can take miniature clear ornaments, Christmas ornaments, and then put them in there, and they kind of look like bubbles that have been popping, because you know how bubbles are see-through. But I wasn't able to find any miniature see-through Christmas globes, Christmas ornaments to be able to do that, so that's why I didn't put it in mine. I did decide to add some spider rings into the tub because I feel like, you know, spiders and, you know, just goes with Halloween and skeletons, and it has to be creepy. It can't just be like a regular bubble bath. It has to be creepy. So I decided just to take one of those, a couple of those spiders that come in the little pack, some orange ones and some black ones, the little ring spiders, and just stick them in there. And this is how it looks. It looks really cool. It looks really creepy. Again, you can use this in your bathroom if you like, or anywhere else. As you can see, it lights up. It would really be cool to like scare somebody when they walk past it. And then you can also style it with these things from Dollar Tree, these little like bones that spell out creepy, and also this spider, this kind of a candy dish. You can put it together with those, and it makes a great like decor anywhere in your home. For the next DIY, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I created a witch's potion cauldron decor. And so I'm going to be using these Halloween ornaments right here that come with the eyeballs. But for the ones that are purple, I'm actually going to paint them green because I want this to look more like a potion, a witch's potion. And if you've ever seen like Halloween witches potions, they're always like green and bubbly. So that's why I wanted to color all the other ornaments, the purple ornaments, green to go with the eyeballs, so that way it looks more like a witch's potion. Now the paint that I'm using is the one I found at Walmart, the apple barrel paint at Walmart, and this one to me looked more green, like more Halloween green than any other green. But I did 2 coats on the ornaments, and as you can see, it still kind of shows through the purple paint and makes it look like it's red. And I actually wanted to keep it looking like that because it gives it more layers to look like a potion. And then I wanted to take off all of those metal pieces off of the eyeballs, because once I start gluing this onto the cauldron, I didn't want any other colors besides the green of the ornament that I painted and the eyeballs that this one has, and the gold like pieces would just stand out. So this is the cauldron that I'm going to be using for this decor piece, and this is, you can find this at Dollar Tree. It's part of the things for the kids to go trick-or-treating, all the different Halloween baskets that they can use for trick-or-treating. So this is the cauldron one, and I'm taking 2 pieces of foam that you can find in the Crafter Square section at Dollar Tree to put inside the cauldron to give it height. That way I don't have to use that many of the Halloween ornaments. I can have them on the top, and I don't have to like basically waste more money trying to fill up the whole cauldron. So I'm just going to take my hot glue gun and glue some eyeballs, glue some of the green ornaments, and this all depends on how you want it to look. So everybody's is going to be different, but I wanted to make sure that mine had mostly green and then like a couple of the eyeballs peeking through, because this is going to be a witch's potion. That's what it's supposed to look like. And so you mainly want more of the like the potion part, which is like the green bubbly part, and like a couple of the eyeballs. I'm also going to add some of those ring spiders in it as well. So all this little like creepy stuff to make it look like a witch's potion. But it depends on how you want it to look, on how you're gonna style yours. I'm also gonna have 3 hanging on the side, so it looks like the potion is like overlapping, like it's spilling over. So you'll see 3 of the ornaments, the green ornaments, kind of like I'm gonna glue them to the side as well to make them look like they're bubbling over. Now to fill in those empty spots that you see in between like the ornaments, I'm going to take some spider webs that you can get at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to basically rip them apart, cut them apart, and glue them into those, you know, those empty spots, because this will give the illusion of kind of like smoke and steam, and like, you know, like the smoke and the steam that's coming from the potions. So like the green ornaments look like the bubbly potion itself, and the eyeballs are like the ingredients, and so are the spiders, but then the spider webs are going to look like the actual like the steam that comes out of a pot and stuff. And it's also great for a filler in between those spots, so it doesn't look like it's just ornaments sitting on top of each other. And this is how my little witch's potion in a cauldron decor turned out. And if you really wanted to make it like spooky and a little bit more creepier, you can actually put a diffuser behind this whenever you decorate with it, and then you'll have the smoke coming from the diffuser behind the little potion decor, and so it'll kind of look like the smoke is coming from the little decor that you made. So that's another idea to do. You could take your diffuser and just put in the back and make it a little bit more spooky. And then you could decorate it with all these things that I've decorated with from Dollar Tree. This little poison beaker, all I did was I filled it with water and put some green food coloring in it. This is the spider from Dollar Tree. This is a skull from Dollar Tree. And there's so many more different things from Dollar Tree that I share with you guys in my recent Dollar Tree haul that are so great to decorate with. So definitely check out Dollar Tree for all the decor they have. And that is it for today's video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed enjoyed it, stay tuned. I have some more Halloween spooky DIYs coming your way. I just have to get better. I'm slowly getting better to be able to get back and film and make videos for you guys. So just stay tuned for that and put your notifications on, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out. And check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.